Hey Sweetsters! Today we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of our vinyl that I purchased from 651vinyl.com. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification to get reminders of new upcoming videos. Alright, and while I open up this box, we'll see that we have a lot of different things here, a lot of goodies. I kind of went all out on this box, and we'll first start with the vinyl. This here is a Scissor Easy Weed All Colors pack. You can see how many different colors come in this one. This is the 12 by 12 sheets. This is the HTV, which is the heat transfer vinyl. And I need to block out some addresses and card information, so don't mind me. Now going back to our vinyl, these 4 packs are the 651 permanent vinyl. I also got the all colored pack. These ones here are the 12 by 5 foot rolls. I love how they come in these rolls because it just kind of shows you everything that you have, and later on I'll go ahead and organize them individually. I also purchased the color swatches for the 651 permanent vinyl just so that I can remember where I purchased the vinyls and what color. This here is a tool to cut the vinyl, and this little gadget here goes on your fingers to help you weed. So when you're weeding the vinyl and it tends to get all over the place, you're basically going to use the pick and push it all into that little hole there, and then later on you can clean it out, and it just kind of makes things a little bit easier. It also comes here with a book with the vinyls as well, including the HTV. That way it just makes it a little bit easier to figure out what it is that I want to buy. I definitely love to see these because without seeing them in person, I'm very picky. I'm scared to buy things without seeing it in person. So knowing that, you know, the glitter really is glittery, and silver is silver and gold is gold, it makes things a little bit easier. So first we'll take a look at the heat transfer vinyl. There's about 50 different colors here, and I think there's a pretty good variety. Again, these are the 12 by 12. This is just so I can see all the different colors and kind of practice with them. And it's just a huge variety. I really like it, especially when it comes to the Vegas gold. I think I'm going to use that a lot, just because I live and reside in Vegas. But also, you know, the other colors are really awesome as well. Now here's the first roll of the permanent vinyl. In this you can see how big the rolls are. I don't want to unroll the whole thing, but you can just tell. So again, this is going to be like the grays, the browns, greens. Then we have the purples, the pinks, reds, and blues. These are really awesome colors. And with this roll here, let's go ahead and just pull this one out. This one here is more of like the yellows, the browns, the oranges. I kind of actually like this combination. Kind of reminds me of the 70s. Alright, and then one more. This one here looks like we have the gold, greens, kind of more of the darker shades. Oh, there's some blue in here as well. Oh, I like that gold. That's really nice. Alright, and again, those are the 5 foot rolls. And just putting all these guys together, you can kind of see how many different colors there are. It's a big variety pack. And with the different colors, here's a list. I didn't count exactly, but I want to say there's more than the last one, so maybe about like 60, 70 colors, maybe even more. And then, so this is the order receipt. So it kind of does get a little pricey. I did spend about $333 for everything, but I think it's well worth it for everything that I did get, especially for the 5 foot rolls. Again, I did get it from 651vinyl.com. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave me a message in the comments below. I would definitely be happy to answer. And if you like any kind of specific colors, let me know as well. I can kind of give you my reviews on each one in particular if you do have any specific colors and questions. And here's just another look at the book and the different types of vinyls that they offer. And again, this swatch here is pretty cool. I'm going to keep this and kind of bring it around when I do orders. That way they can kind of pick their colors if they want purple or pink or green or blue. They have a couple different colors to choose from. Well, thank you so much for coming by, guys, and taking a look at my video. If you have any questions, definitely, again, leave me a comment below. If you have also any recommendations for upcoming videos, send those my way as well, and we'll see what we can do. Well, thanks, sweets.